bit for the Kumbheri river. Kumbheriचा एक घेतलं तर आणि दुसरं two I have selected Kumbheri and one for Bhoj. Two areas. So if we can do that, I will prefer doing. Because
Do you have an estimate for that?
yeah, I just have given you approximately, yeah, but then I will come up with a detail when if it is approved, then I can give you a detailed one that for water.
For approval only I need.
Okay, so I will send you, sir. I just wanted to today discuss and then finalize if we can do it.
There is one more thing. As a part of CSR, I think this much of money will be difficult, but this I can approve to local authority.
But then whatever through the DPDC, we had 10% of it was allowed, but throughout 22 to 26, not a single amount was released, and we had put up for 48 only, that estimate which had come, but ultimately now that is gone. Now only focusing on these two, that's why I put it that way.
So this, for example, if it is going through Jilla Parishad, the Gram Panchayat, I can give this fund to Jilla Parishad.
Yeah, don't give to us at all. We don't want with us. We are the only NGO supporting scientifically to do the work. That's all. I never want any money with us. You can directly pay with that.
No, you also said that you want to do another project.
Yeah. That is there. That is we can do. But wherever it's a major project, that you can always do.
या वर्षी मग तसं करा तुम्ही याचे ना प्रस्ताव मागतो तुम्हाला मार्क करतो आजच लेटर द्या तर आज तारीख किती 17.
And so this was sent by DCF in May for the date pattern. It's still lying with us. We had to cancel that meeting and next day we had sent it. So today they forwarded me and they are going to take it off. Last time our meeting was cancelled for that. So mainly about the
This proposal is
this is for Kumbheri. Kumbheri. This
and
is
Bhoj you said na?
Bhoj. And ह्याचं तर accountability, sir, you should please ask from, because ultimately it will be flood risk and everything, and it is not that in 2020, 2015 there was GR, after that 2018, 2019, that they have to complete this desilting of all the rivers and all, so that and taking help of NGOs and all. Where is it? Why it is not happening? I'm really surprised that all these things are there in GR, then why who is taking the accountability of all this? आणि आता उद्या मी भारंगीला चालली आहे. त्या भारंगीवर पण पूर्ण तुम्ही शहापूरला गेले होते तर भारंगीवर पण तसंच त्यांनी ते रोड वगैरे बनवायला सुरू केले नगर परिषदेने. माझ्या ते बागेत एक डायरी better and
We
already
can
they
do one of the project on SBT, but
Yes,
now
sir.
the government policy regarding STP, we have to go with the STP.
Sir, but I will tell you, if across India, when we are seeing that it is not producing any result, and Pradhan Mantri also says that nature-based solutions. So this is about the nature-based strategy and nature-based solution. So with the nature-based solution, if we work, I think we are able to produce the result, because the reuse of the water will be very much helpful. Here, the water quality is also so bad that it is not happening. आणि इथे आपल्या AMC मध्ये तर ऑलरेडी अप्रूव्ड आहे सर. त्यांनी माझ्या नावाने इव्हन 5 एकरचा लँड पण डिमांड केलं होतं तहसीलदारकडे, पण त्यांना काही मिळालं नाही म्हणून ते करू शकले नाही. इफ यू कॅन डू दॅट ऑल्सो, that would be very much helpful. One pilot study if you can give that, so that would be very helpful. So when can that be done, sir?